Hey, have you used Microsoft Project before? I'm curious about what it's used for.
Definitely. Microsoft Project is a project management tool that helps you plan and track tasks, resources, and timelines. It's great for managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders.
Is Microsoft Project free or not? I've heard conflicting information about this.
Microsoft Project is not free, but you can try it out for free with a 30-day trial. After that, you'll need to purchase a subscription or license to continue using it.
I've also heard rumors that Microsoft Project has been discontinued. Is that true?
No, that's not true. Microsoft Project is still a popular and widely used tool, and Microsoft continues to invest in its development and improvement.
Is Microsoft Project part of Office 365? I use other Office tools, so it would be convenient to have it all in one place.
Yes, Microsoft Project is part of Office 365, but it's not included in all plans. You'll need to check if your plan includes it or purchase it separately.
Can I use MS Project Online for free? I prefer cloud-based tools for convenience.
Yes, you can use MS Project Online for free with a Microsoft account, but it has limited features and functionality compared to the desktop version.
Is MS Project easy to learn? I'm not very tech-savvy.
It can be a bit challenging to learn at first, but there are plenty of tutorials, courses, and resources available online to help you get started. With practice, you'll become more comfortable and proficient with the tool.
What is MS Project now called? I've heard that it has a new name.
Yes, Microsoft has rebranded MS Project as Project for the Web, which is a cloud-based version of the tool with simplified features and a modern interface.
What is the future of MS Project? Will it continue to be relevant in the future?
Absolutely! Project management is a critical function in many industries, and Microsoft Project is one of the most popular and powerful tools for managing projects. Microsoft is committed to its development and improvement, so it will continue to evolve and adapt to changing needs and trends.
Why MS Project instead of Excel? I've used Excel for project management before.
Excel is a great tool for many things, but it's not specifically designed for project management. MS Project has specialized features and functionality for managing project schedules, resources, and budgets, which makes it more efficient and effective for project management.
What are the 3 most important features of MS Project? I want to make sure I'm using it to its fullest potential.
That's a great question. I would say the 3 most important features of MS Project are its Gantt chart view, resource management tools, and reporting capabilities. These features help you visualize your project timeline, allocate resources effectively, and track progress and performance.